Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can get the bald filter on TikTok. So I'm in TikTok camera. To get this effect, go here. This is the effects gallery. Okay, it's a trending filter. Check in the trending section and remember this image. This is the filter. Tap on it. Okay, and this is it. Okay, and suppose you are not getting the effect like this, then what you can do, go to discover and here search for bald. Okay, and on the top row you will see this effect icon. Just tap there and you will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the screen you will see tap to try. Tap there. Okay, and you can use this effect from there also. And suppose you are not getting the effect from discover also, then what you can do, let me go back. You can visit this website. Link to this website I'll give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the effect icon. Just tap there. Okay, and in this page tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, you are in the effect page again. Now tap on tap to try at the bottom of the screen. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can get this bald filter on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.